Yo,
Yo,
what's
up? Okay, so I just finished working today and Damian picked me up from work, and then it was like tiring day, and Damian already also needs something to refresh his mind. So many things happen
So many things
lately.
happening around. So we
yeah.
decided we are in 66 Seminyak and we will see how's the situation today, and beautiful sunset, I hope so, because long time we didn't record the sunset. So we are at the front of the 66 Seminyak luxury hotel, and hotel seems open. Yes,
Yeah,
honey,
last
what do you
time
think?
we stayed here, and then I saw some people also stay there.
Yeah, however, I'm not sure how it looks today, if it's open or not. Here is the Sand Beach Bar, and now we are at the front of the, I don't know, I think this is the Kokon Beach Club. Unfortunately, it's closed already for very long time. Very long time. And here we go, today is the Seminyak Beach open, as you see. It's open, so yeah, that's how it looks like. Heading into now the famous box area, we will see how's the situation over the Carla Spa, Circle K. Here is some Baxo I am guy and balloon guy also. And yeah, the beach is open. Here is some guy training. Unfortunately, seems like a Baxo, it's closed. Yeah, definitely no Baxo today on the beach, I think.
Yeah,
They-
Bakso Cellar is closed, but yeah, I think that people are going to the beach, enjoying, what is it, doing sport, and enjoying the sunsets, beautiful sunset basically.
Yeah,
Yeah,
seems
it's so
like basically,
nice.
however, just no Baxo.
Yeah.
Here everywhere supposed to be a Baxo, however, people enjoying, and well, I don't know, that's how it looked like. And
Yeah,
I hope
seems
so
like
will
the
be beautiful
restaurant
sunset.
is open, and then they didn't open the umbrella outside, they only opened the restaurant inside. Because of the warung, like by the beach, on the beach it's closed. And then I'm thinking to buy drinks. I'm a little bit thirsty, and then let's see that if the La Plancha, the famous La Plancha, is open, and then let's see.
And we will see in this direction. And waiting for sunset. Wow, look at this small puppies, cutie doggos. Ooh. And the sunset and the big doggo.
I'm so happy that to see people are out again, going to the beach, enjoying the sunset, enjoying the breeze, and life is slowly bouncing back to normal.
Life is slowly bouncing back to normal. That's so
But
true.
unluckily the restaurant, bakso, still closed. But it's okay. But at least that we can still enjoy the nice breeze from the ocean.
And the beautiful sunset. I hope so. The sunset will be beautiful.
All right, guys. Maybe Damian yesterday already talked about the sending videos, and
Yes.
I know that we are just small numbers of subscribers, but we believe like the love from you, the love from around the world, you can help us to show the situation how you are now during this current
Current
I don't know.
situation all around
Yeah.
the world. I'm really, at least all the continents. I really want to have it. And
We just want to see how it is around the world, like I know that we can read it, or we can Google it, or you can watch YouTube about everyone, but
exactly, but also if I'm gonna get
Our-
from you guys, from all around the world, you can all we all together we can watch it. You can watch it whenever you want. So I think it's very interesting idea. Waiting for the sunset and kids playing football here. So nearly got the ball. So that's cool. That's good as people enjoying in the fresh air on the beach. That's very important nowadays, actually, guys. And if you have opportunity to go out, it's much better than sitting in the small home. I mean, maybe you have a huge home, but anyway, in the under aircon and stuff like this is really not so healthy. Better to be on the beach always.
when you go out enjoying the breeze, you will feel more healthy, right? Feel more
Exactly.
refreshed,
Meanwhile, enjoy a little bit of the fresh breeze and the beautiful color of the sky today. Actually, it's not sunset yet, but almost. And the nice waves, the sound of the ocean, Indian Ocean, guys. That's so cool. Enjoy. So this is the restaurants around. Here is some restaurant, and also at the front is famous La Plancha and other restaurants. And no more umbrellas on the beach. So as you see, sitting on the beach itself is not, I don't know, not allowed. Probably every regency, every area of Bali have different regulations right now. However, inside the warung already, it's allowed to sit. Just no on the beach. No, I don't really know how does it work, but
I don't really understand how it is, but
no,
yeah.
But yeah, that's how it is. Yeah.
Let's get a drink then.
Let's try to get a drink.
I think that there is a small warung open drinks there, and then let's see.
Inside over there somewhere.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, honey. We are lucky got some warung here open, and we're gonna have
Yeah, the small warung here open, and Ibu keep saying, Ibu, thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much. I said, Ibu, so happy to see that
thing what we
slowly
can do, but at least we can
you
support.
open, and then yeah.
And she's open, so that's good. And
Peanut.
what do you have? Peanut? Okay. Enjoy, guys. Cheers. Here we go. We have a foreigner boy with the local kid playing the football on the beach. This is so cute and adorable, isn't it?
This is the beauty of living in the area where the mix of tourists and local, and I believe that the local can learn foreign language, English, and the bule kid can learn local language by this one. So this is the good thing, you know, that they can mix everything.
Exactly. Wise words. So nice to see that. And here we go. Such a beautiful sunset. Unfortunately, I think we'll be finished in just 1 minute because there is the cloud. But looks so beautiful. Isn't it, honey?
Sunset in Bali is always beautiful.
Always beautiful. Enjoy, guys. So beautiful.
Okay, so I just finished my drink, and then I got my peanut with me, and then I spoke to the lady in the warung, and I asked so many questions to her, and then I asked her, do you want to be in the front of camera or something? And she said, Ibu, I'm so shy. I don't put me in the social media, you know, because I just opened the warung, then, you know, yeah, and then we talk a lot about how it is, how's the life, and then I asked her, what did you do during the lockdown 2 weeks? And she said, yeah, she has 4 children, and the youngest children still baby. So yeah, I have to open my warung, Ibu, because if I didn't open, there is no income. And then I asked, do you have any help from Banjar? Yeah, but only a bag of rice, and then a crate of eggs, and then oil, and then yeah, only that. Yeah, and then there is no money from the Banjar because the money already ran out. And I said, yeah, it's better than nothing, right? So yeah, this is how it is nowadays, guys, on the beach. People are happy, slowly back, the economy slowly back to normal, and yeah, everyone needs money to survive, and everyone need to live, right?
Exactly. It's been about more than 3 weeks actually, when was everything, literally everything closed, almost all July. So it's good as it slowly is bouncing back. All right, guys. So Bali is bouncing back, at least slowly, but it's bouncing back, and that's how it looks situation today in Seminyak 6 area. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care, guys.